Good morning, dear student. Yesterday we discussed about equilibrium of output or income through saving and investment approach or alternative approach of equilibrium. So today we have to deal with the impact of change in additional change in investment. That is, what's happened if there is an additional investment occurred in the marketplace or economy. So, dear student, we have to observe the impact or phase-wise impact of additional investment in the economy. So, let us suppose our economy is at equilibrium. First of all, we have to start with the previous class, whatever we discussed about the level of equilibrium. See, suppose we have given information regarding AS or Y, F, GDP or income Y along with Y-axis AD and AS. Suppose we have given information regarding AD and AS. Here AD equals C plus I. S or Y equal C plus S. If this information is given, the point E at which our AD curve intersected AS curve is the point of equilibrium. So, our economy is reached equilibrium at the level of OK level of income at which our economy attain equilibrium through the AD and AS approach. We have to start our today's topic, impact of additional investment. What's happened if there is a new investment occurred in the economy? So, if suppose an investment equal delta I, in the economy, one additional investment, that is delta I, made during the financial year. What's happened? See, the change in investment, we are assuming it's equal delta I, delta for a small change. So, the new AD curve, that is AD1, becomes C plus I plus delta I. See what happens if economy received an additional investment. So, due to an additional investment delta I, our point of intersection between AD, new AD and AS shifted onto the E1. The new equilibrium point decided by new aggregate demand curve AD1 and aggregate supply curve. So, the level of income A extended from K to L. See, K to L is the change in Y. So, what we observe, our OK was the initial level of income at which AD equates AS, but due to additional investment delta I, the AD function shift upward, AD hours shifted to upward to AD1. It's now indicated by C plus I plus delta I, that is AD1. It causes an increase in equilibrium of GDP from OK to OL, means our equilibrium extended from K to L. That K to L is popularly known as change in Y, because initially our income level was OK, but right now income level extended from K to L, so it's become OL, level of income at which our new equilibrium attained. So, see the change in investment as well as change in income. If you observe the change in investment and income, you will find that owing to an additional investment, that is delta I, level of income increases from OK to OL. Increase in income, that is KL, compared to the increase in size of additional investment, that is delta I, you will you may mention here O, A and B, delta I equal A to B. So if you wish to compare between the change KL is greater than AB, means delta Y is much more greater than delta I. So you will find increase in income is more than the increase in investment. This offers a conclusion. Conclusion is that additional investment carries a multiplier effect on level of income. A multiplier effect of level of income means if you increase any amount in investment, it will impact much more greater on the level of investment, whatever changes occur the level of investment. So, if you observe the income level K to L extended due to change in investment equal A to B, or that is delta I. So, if there is a change in investment, it's obvious there will be change in income, and at the same time the changes in income is much more greater than change in investment, and you can conclude your remark there is a multiplier effect onto the level of income due to change in investment. So that effect is popularly known as multiplier effect or multiplier mechanism. So if you wish to compute, see what we developed from this multiplier or investment multiplier equal change in level of income upon change in investment. So a new concept come to the effects, it's popularly known as investment multiplier. Investment multiplier is denoted by British letter K. K equal the ratio between change in income with respect to change in investment. So, impact of additional investment is multiplier, or due to multiplier our income rises much more than rising investment. So, we have to start our new concept, investment multiplier. So, thanks all for today. In the next class, we will discuss about the multiplier and its mechanism.